ashwagandha, how do I take ashwagandha? At least 60 people have asked, how do I take it? Where it is available? In what format it is available? Is it made the Ayurvedic way? Is it made the allopathic way? Should I prepare it myself from the plant or should I take a ready-made ashwagandha? And if I want to combine it with haldi, how do I take it?
So it's simple. Ashwagandha you have to procure from an authentic source. Ashwagandha is a plant under cultivation, and it is known that CSIR had a very major project in which they have shown that ashwagandha grown in a particular region such as Nagori near Ashwagandha, near Rajasthan. Nagori ashwagandha is considered to be one of the best. But ashwagandha, standardized ashwagandha you get in the market, and good companies with quality control data which they give, that here are the chemical constituents of ashwagandha. They many of them give the herboprint also, the HPLC profile and all that quality control data. So quality controlled ashwagandha available in the market you can take, or you can purchase ashwagandha roots from the market from authentic source again, because there could be adulteration also if you don't take it from good sources, and you can powder them yourself and use that churna as a fresh ashwagandha churna. You can take ashwagandha by combining with turmeric or whatever you want to do it yourself, or there are some combinations also available in the market, but for that purpose you have to consult Ayurvedic Vaidya. You should not take this as self-medication when you are combining and you are taking it for specific purposes, because the dose of ashwagandha which is required for a particular condition, it is best to take advice of Ayurvedic Vaidya for this purpose.
And then what part of ashwagandha plant is used? It's the root and the... Can I take...
only root. Ashwagandha is only roots of ashwagandha are used. Dried roots powder of ashwagandha, either in tablet or in powder form or in syrup form, whatever you want to make, dosage form, you can do that. You can also make mix it with some kind of a grita also. There is possible. So various kind of forms we can use, but the best and most popular form of ashwagandha is churna in form of tablet is normally used.
But Bhushan,
must
be under medical supervision.
Pardon?
All the rasayanas should be under an Ayurvedic physician supervision. I think what you said, that's important. That
they have to be under the advice of Ayurvedic Vaidya. Yes.
I think that people must remember that for therapeutic, please consult an Ayurvedic physician.
Arvind, in I think Girish is just sitting next to you. Can we ask Girish, because we should have Ayurvedic Vaidya, authentic Ayurvedic Vaidya, to give you authentic information, So here is Dr. Girish Chillu, who is Ayurvedic Vaidya, because none of us are Ayurvedic Vaidyas. So let that information come from the Ayurvedic Vaidya. Girish, please. I'm sorry, Dr. Agarwal, I'm taking this liberty.
Girish, how are you?
Namaste.
Ayurvedic pranam आपको.
Namaskar. So
नमस्कार. आयुर्वेद में अगर हमारे को रसायन देना है, first of all, when it comes to COVID, suppose in COVID, is there any role of panchakarma? If yes, which karma?
Actually, in disease state, panchakarma is generally avoided. But panchakarma, many of the simple panchakarma.
What about Nasya and Shirodhara? What about Nasya and Shirodhara?
Nasya or Kabala Gandush or oil pulling or gargling, they are very effective for say strengthening immunity, local. So and preventing, they may be preventing virus entry. So this panchakarma.
So if I want to ask my people to use Nasya, where they take a drop of oil and they lubricate their nose, I'm not talking about the oil therapy, which is used for sinus. If they use a simple Nasya to lubricate their nose, which oil they should use? Is it a dosha specific or a general non-specific oil?
Generally, sesame oil or coconut oil is best. However, there are other medicated oils too. For example, Anu Tel or Panchendriya Vardhan Tel they can use.
So Anutel is the one we use basically for nasya. So nasya can be used. Then Shirodhara is something for acute anxiety. Somebody who is in acute anxiety, you can use a Shirodhara for that particular thing. And other types of therapies, Panchakarma at the moment will be avoided because I don't think so. You will go to Vaman Virachan or Vasti at this particular moment. When it comes to Ayurvedic Rasayanas, can they be combined with modern medicine Rasayanas? That means if I want to,
Yes, I think many of the Ayurvedic rasayanas or Ayurvedic botanicals they are safe and they can be used generally by everyone.
okay, so Rasayanas, whether they are Ayurvedic, whether they are antioxidants, the best antioxidant in Rasayanas is Chavanprash, which has a combination of practically everything, which contains Avla. And now again, I want to ask one question, Girish, to you is before I finish. When we talk about this disorder, we call them as this is Tridosha because it involves both Kapha, Vata, and Pitta. And most of the time it is Sadhya. In some situation, it becomes Asadhya. So when it is a Tridosha, then the predominant role of a Tridoshic medicines, one of them is Amla, which affects on Tridosha. Do you feel that Ashwagandha also is a Tridosha drug?
Yes, and ashwagandha also, as Dr. Patwardhan said, guruchi is also one of the botanicals which affect which uh, controls all these three doshas.
Dear colleague who are watching this program, I think it was a wonderful interaction where we had an Ayurved, a modern medicine researching into Ayurveda, and a biochemistry background researcher, and myself, KK Agarwal, who is basically a hardcore modern medicine doctor, but a student of Vedic medicine. And I try to interpret and teach Ayurveda in modern medicine language. I think it makes sense. It's a time the coronavirus is new. It is in nobody's domain. Everybody can claim their results. It is the best time for Ayurveda to show to their world that we can, our natural compounds are much more safer than a modern medicine drug, for which we don't have to go into deep into the double-blind studies. Even if we go into the philosophy of Pratyaksh, which is case studies, and then we have Upaman, which is analogy. Based on that, if we do observational studies, let the West do double-blind studies, let's do observational studies, publish them. And instead of waiting for 200 cases, we follow the principle of Intel. The Intel principle is Pentium 2, Pentium 4, Pentium 6, Pentium 10. So if you have 10 cases, publish. When it becomes 20, again publish. When it becomes 30, again publish. Don't wait them for 200 to publish. You get an opportunity to talk to the media and the newspapers 20 times by the time you reach to 200 cases. So therefore, all the people who are interested in a compound like ashwagandha, if you have any result, kindly share with any one of us. We'll be happy to collaborate with you. And Dr. Bhushan and Dr. Arvind, if you need any time in any seminar, if you need any help where I can help you out for a cause, I'm always there. And with folded Ayurvedic namaskar to all three of you, myself, Dr. KK Agarwal, say thank you to Dr. Bhushan Patwardhan. Bhushan ji is a Shakti sound. The sound Bhushana is a Shakti sound. So therefore, whenever you are calling Bhushan,